there, welcome to the Startups Getting Started Guides. I'm your host, Rose Serafini, and I'm a solutions architect on the startups team here at Zendesk. Today, I'm going to be talking about getting started with Explore, our reporting tool, so that you can start gaining insights from your customer experience data. Explore is a reporting tool that's designed to help you analyze, understand, and share your business information. It provides powerful built-in reports that help you view and analyze key information about your customers and support resources so that you can start understanding your CX and make thoughtful product and business decisions.
First things first, we'll have to activate Explore. Giving end users access to Explore is going to look a little different depending on the plan you select. But to get started, simply select the Explore icon from the products tray from within an admin seat in Zendesk. Before you can use Explore, you must activate it. When you first start Explore, it prepares your Zendesk data for reporting. Depending on the amount of information and tickets that you have, this could take a few minutes to a few hours. You can select an option to have Explore inform you when it's ready for use. As I previously mentioned, giving users access to Explore is going to look a little different depending on the plan you select. If you're using Support Professional, Explore permissions are configured in the agent profile in Zendesk Support. With Support Enterprise, you can configure permissions by using custom roles. Regardless, the role and permission options to help ensure the security of your business information are as follows. Editors can create custom reports and dashboards. Admins have all the same ability as editors, but can manage viewers and permissions as well. Viewers can view and interact with pre-built and shared dashboards. No access cannot view or access Explore. This is the default role assigned to new users. As a startup, you may have a small transparent team. So you might want to make all of your teammates editors. But please note, in order for users to access Explore, they must be given a role. Now that we've assigned our user roles, let's talk dashboards. Zendesk provides you with pre-built dashboards that contain information about your support metrics, agent activity, and more. You can use pre-built best practices dashboards, duplicate them to create editable copies, or create completely new dashboards. A dashboard is made up of components known as widgets, which can contain a range of different items such as queries, images, text, and more. You can add as many widgets as you want to a dashboard and arrange them in whichever format suits your needs. Finally, you can share dashboards with others in your organization. As an example, let's dig into the support pre-built dashboard to get a better sense of what Explore can show us. This report includes the following tabs. Tickets, which contains reports about tickets created in your Zendesk account. This includes information about solved, created, and reopened tickets. Efficiency, which analyzes how efficiently agents are solving tickets by measuring key ticket and time-based metrics. Assignee activity, which helps you see the results when you assign a ticket to agents and others. This includes information about solved tickets, timed resolution, and tickets that were resolved with a certain number of agent replies. Agent updates, which shows comments and updates made to a ticket by your agents. This includes public comments, internal comments, and the number of tickets that were created and solved. Unsolved tickets, which helps you get a detailed look at the tickets in your account that are still open. You can list your open tickets and find tickets that are not assigned, have no replies, or have had no activity for a while. Your backlog, which displays a snapshot of your unsolved tickets, providing an easy way for you to view your historic data and analyze past trends. Satisfaction, which helps you take a closer look at customer satisfaction scores for your tickets, and SLAs, which displays how well you're meeting your SLA policies. You must have active SLA policies to use this dashboard. Now that we've gone through an example, to better understand what's going on behind Explore dashboards, let's discuss the two types of data sets they compile. The first data set is metrics, which are quantitative data like number of tickets or the number of phone calls. The second data set is attributes, which is qualitative data like agent names and ticket channels. Adding an attribute to a query slices your results to make them more useful. Before you begin to create queries, you must choose a data set that gives access to the information you want. Explore features a range of different data sets that enable you to query your support tickets, talk, calls, and more. Typically, you'll choose one of these pre-built data sets. However, you can also create copies of these data sets for testing. For example, if you want to create some custom metrics. You'll use data sets within your queries. A query is a question you ask yourself about your business information. You can ask simple questions like how many tickets do I have in open status, or complex questions like between March and December, which agents close the most tickets, or even prioritize your most asked questions based on volume to help define a product roadmap. Query results are typically displayed as charts or tables. Explorer chooses the most suitable chart format, but you can change that if you want. Once you've created a query, you can perform many operations on it, like changing units, format, presentation, or adding complex calculations that manipulate the query results. Lastly, let's talk about how we can share our Explorer findings with our team. Once you have a dashboard you're happy with, you can simply share it. Sharing a dashboard sends an email inviting others to view it. You can additionally configure dashboards to be sent by email on a regular schedule. You can make changes to a dashboard after you share it. When you're ready for the others to see your changes, just republish the dashboard. If there are core metrics your team focuses on, consider sending out a dashboard with those metrics on a weekly cadence. It'll be a good reminder for your team what you're all working so hard to achieve.
All right, that concludes the Getting Started with Explore edition of the Startups Getting Started guides. As I mentioned previously, Explore is great for staying on top of your goals, but also for making educated decisions on where to grow and adapt your team and startup. Because it doesn't require any sort of background in data analytics, it's the perfect reporting tool for any sort of founder. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out our support and guide editions of the Startups Getting Started guides. We also have some startups office hours that we offer at 10 a.m. on Tuesdays, that's Pacific time. And I'll also link below to our Startup Central Slack workspace where you can learn and share with our community of Zendesk startups. Thank you so much.